I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, and I come from the low middle class. Like, this isn't a rich kid who got lucky story. I was broke. I grew up broke. My parents were nurses, and we often didn't have money to just buy basic things. Like, there wouldn't be a single day I would not hear my parents complaining about the price of food, like lettuce or bread. If one store sold it for 10 cents more, it was the end of the world. And if you've grown up like me, you didn't have much money, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's not fun. So the business model I want to share with you in this video can make you $10,000 per month as a one-person business, meaning it's not like a regular business where you'd need to spend tens of thousands of dollars. In reality, hundreds of thousands of dollars in startup capital just to start the business. It doesn't even guarantee it's gonna be a success. You can fail and then you have all that debt. It's insane. Nowadays, there is a much smarter way to make money. So what's this business model exactly? It's simple. We sell digital products on the internet, more precisely through YouTube. And if you're serious about making money online, when you're done watching this video, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private school community and program where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally gonna show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today. I've personally spoken to hundreds of people on Zoom calls. I'm talking about ambitious people from all ages, like literally underage teenagers, all the way from retirees. And there are people who were more ambitious than the average. They wanted to make money online, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, even $100,000 a month. And what all these people had in common is that they wanted freedom. They didn't want to have to wake up like to go work for someone else and then pay a ridiculous amount of taxes and only get 2 weeks of vacations a year, and that's it. Then you do that again and again and again, and one day, if you're lucky, you can retire, and if you've done everything right, the government, depending on which country you live in, will give you a certain amount of money every month, a bit of social security, or if you've invested your whole life, you saved money every month to invest it in the stock market, now you can finally retire and live the kind of life you've always wanted. But the thing is, growing up in the low middle class, I grew up in France, and the mindset of people was basically, I'm gonna work my job even though I hate it, so I'm gonna work it until I retire at like 50, 55, 60 years old, probably like 60, 65 years old. 50 would be a bit young. And then the government will pay me 1,300 euros a month, which is basically like $1,500 per month. And then these people, of course, they've paid off their mortgage, their cars, etc. So then the goal is to just use that money to live, to finally do the things they've always wanted to do, to travel, to have fun, to be there with their family. But there's two flaws with that mentality, really. The first thing these people don't get is that not every year of your life is equal. I think it's pretty obvious that when you're 20 or 30 years old, in your 20s or 30s, you will have a lot more energy, you'll be able to do a lot more things, than when you're 60 years old, 70 years old, and you're exhausted from a lifetime of work and problems and restraint. So really, if you do reach the age of retirement, which most people do, how much fun are you really gonna have? Not to mention, $1,500 a month or $2,000 a month if you're lucky, it's not that much money in this world. Like, maybe it is a lot of money if you are in a third world country. I completely understand that, there's no judgment here. But if you live in the Western world, you know that $2,000 a month buys you fucking shit. Like, you don't have a life with $2,000 a month. You just survive. But that's exactly what most people do. They survive. Even in places like the US, where people typically make a lot more money than in Europe in general, I mean, there's taxes, and then the cost of living is typically very high. So at the end of the month, you don't really have much. I mean, again, I've spoken to hundreds of people on Zoom calls, and you wouldn't believe the amount of people who just live paycheck to paycheck every single month. And that's what they do until the day they retire. So why do we sell digital products instead of just physical products, for example? A physical product has inherent value. So that's the advantage of selling physical products. For example, say I'm selling a phone like this one. I ship it to you, you pay me, you got value from the phone, that's it. The only downside of selling digital products is that the value can be intangible. Like sometimes people feel like they buy it and then they feel like it's not worth the value, which is true of physical products too. But there's also the case where people buy it, They try to get you to refund them because they want to steal your product. Like, there are some issues with digital products, just like with any other business. However, the pros of digital products far outweigh the negatives of digital products. There's only really one. The pros of digital products are that it's very high margin, so 90% profit. Now, if you run paid advertising to get sales, your profit is obviously going to be lower because you need to pay the ads. But if you use YouTube, for example, which is the best platform to do that, to drive all those organic free viewers into your funnel, into your page where you sell the product, you can keep 90 to 95% in profit. Like, if you're doing this alone by yourself, you don't run ads, instead you make content on YouTube, just like this video I'm making for you right now, I mean, you can have 95% profit. If you hire a video editor, or maybe you pay for a couple softwares, you'll go down to 90% profit, but going below that will be extremely difficult. Like, you'd have to really go out of your way to spend money to literally crush the profit margins. The same can't be said of other businesses. Like, you will never find a single business with this many upsides and this little downsides. Honestly, I'm still waiting for somebody to give me that kind of business. The one that's better than digital products. Nobody has ever found it. Why? Because it simply doesn't exist. The other big pro of selling digital products is that you're literally gonna be getting paid. Like, you're gonna get sales even while you're asleep, even while you're walking on the beach with your girlfriend, even while you're having dinner with your family. And you spend money on the dinner, and then while you were having dinner, you're getting payment notifications telling you that you made more money than you spent on the dinner. Like, the level of freedom you reach when you sell automated digital products, it is insane. Like, truly, I wish that for you. And if you're serious about making money online, when you're done watching this video, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private school community and program where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally gonna show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today.